Welcome to our roundup of the best top-load washer options you can buy right now. Whether you are looking for a powerful full-size machine for family laundry or a compact portable washer for apartments, dorms, or small homes, we have picked some of the most reliable and popular models that balance performance, convenience, and value. We will walk you through what really matters, like capacity, wash programs, cleaning power, noise level, water usage, and ease of use, so you can confidently choose the right washer for your lifestyle. If you want something that saves time, handles tough stains, and makes laundry day less of a chore, you are in the right place. Do not forget to check the description box for the latest deals. Let us get started. The first on the list is the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet top-load washer. This washer is built for families and busy households that need space, power, and reliability in one machine. It comes with extra-large 4.5 cubic foot capacity, powerful triple-action impeller, and multiple fabric care wash cycles, making it a great all-around solution for everyday laundry. The large drum easily fits bulky items like comforters, blankets, and big loads of clothes, which means fewer loads and more time saved each week. From the moment you start using it, you can tell this machine is designed to handle serious laundry without feeling complicated or overwhelming. The triple-action impeller is the heart of its cleaning performance. Instead of just spinning clothes around, it moves them in multiple directions, creating a deeper and more thorough clean. This helps lift dirt out of fabrics while still being gentle enough for everyday clothing. Whether you are washing heavily soiled work clothes or lightly worn shirts, the washer automatically adjusts the motion and water flow to get the job done efficiently. The result is clothes that come out cleaner, fresher, and with less wear over time. Ease of use is another strong point here. The control panel is simple and clear, with well-labeled cycles for normal loads, delicates, bulky items, and more. You do not need to guess which setting to use, because everything is designed to be straightforward. The deep fill option is also a nice bonus for those times when you want extra water for heavily soiled loads. In daily use, the machine runs smoothly and stays relatively quiet, which is great if your laundry area is close to living spaces. Overall, this washer is an excellent choice for households that want a large, dependable, and easy-to-use top-load machine that can handle everything from daily clothes to heavy bedding with confidence. Next up is the Frigidaire 4.4 cubic foot top-load washer. This model is a great balance between capacity, efficiency, and everyday practicality. It stands out with large 4.4 cubic foot drum, multiple quick and deep wash options, and gentle but effective agitator action that delivers reliable cleaning results. It is designed for people who want a simple, no-nonsense washer that still offers enough flexibility to handle different types of laundry. The first thing you notice is how roomy the drum feels. You can easily wash large loads or mix clothes and towels in one go without feeling cramped. This saves both water and time over the course of a week. The agitator is designed to provide strong water movement while still being gentle on fabrics, so clothes come out clean without feeling overly worn or twisted. One of the most useful features is the selection of wash cycles, especially the quick wash option. This is perfect for lightly soiled clothes or when you are in a hurry and just need something cleaned fast. On the other hand, the deep wash option gives you extra water and agitation for tougher stains and dirt. This flexibility makes the washer feel much more versatile than a basic entry-level model. In everyday use, the Frigidaire washer is simple and intuitive. The controls are easy to understand, and the lid opens wide, making it easy to load and unload even big items like blankets or jackets. It also runs at a reasonable noise level, so it does not become annoying or disruptive, even if you run it during the day. Overall, this washer is a solid choice for families or individuals who want a straightforward, spacious, and reliable top-load washer without paying extra for features they may never use. Next, we have the Rofson 25 pounds full automatic washing machine. This one is designed for people who want a compact but capable washer that still handles surprisingly large loads for its size. It features high 25-pound load capacity, fully automatic operation, and multiple smart wash programs, making it a strong option for apartments, small homes, or anyone who wants a space-saving solution. Despite its compact footprint, this washer can handle a lot of laundry in one go. The 25-pound capacity is impressive for a machine in this category, and it means you can wash clothes for several days at once instead of doing small loads every day. This makes it much more practical for real-world use, especially for couples or small families. The fully automatic operation is another big advantage. You simply choose your program, and the machine takes care of the rest, including washing, rinsing, and spinning. The available programs cover everything from normal clothes to more delicate items, so you do not have to worry about damaging your fabrics. The washing action is strong enough to remove dirt and odors, yet gentle enough to keep clothes in good condition. In terms of build and design, the Rofson washer feels sturdy and well put together. It is made to handle regular use without feeling flimsy or disposable. Overall, this washer is a smart pick for anyone who wants a compact, automatic, and surprisingly powerful washing machine that fits easily into smaller living spaces while still delivering dependable cleaning performance. Next, we have the Jontex portable washing machine. This model is all about convenience and flexibility, making it perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or anyone who needs a washer that can move easily. It comes with compact and lightweight design, fully automatic wash and spin cycles, and space-saving high-efficiency performance, which makes it one of the most user-friendly portable washers out there. The biggest advantage of this washer is how easy it is to move and store. You can place it in a bathroom, kitchen, or even a closet when it is not in use. Despite its small size, it still handles everyday laundry like shirts, pants, underwear, and towels without any trouble. This makes it ideal for people who do not have space for a full-size washer, but still want the convenience of doing laundry at home. Using the Jontex washer is refreshingly simple. You connect it to a faucet, choose your wash program, and let it do the rest. It automatically washes, rinses, and spins, so your clothes come out much drier than they would with many other small washers. This reduces drying time and makes the whole process faster and easier. Build quality is solid for a portable unit, and the machine feels stable during operation. It does not shake or move around excessively, which helps build confidence in its long-term use. Overall, this washer is a great solution for anyone who wants a reliable, easy-to-use, and space-saving washing machine that fits perfectly into a compact lifestyle. The last one on our list is the Black Plus Decker 3.0 CU foot portable washer. This is one of the most popular portable washers on the market, and for good reason. It offers generous 3.0 cubic foot capacity, multiple wash programs with digital controls, and strong cleaning performance in a portable size, making it feel much closer to a full-size washer than most compact alternatives. What really sets this washer apart is how much you can fit inside. A 3.0 cubic foot drum is large enough to handle decent-sized loads, including towels, jeans, and even smaller bedding items. This means you do not have to compromise as much compared to using a regular household washer. For many people, this can completely replace trips to the laundromat. The digital control panel and multiple wash programs give you excellent control over how your clothes are cleaned. You can choose different settings depending on fabric type and how dirty your clothes are, which helps protect your clothes while still getting them properly clean. The machine also handles washing and spinning automatically, so the whole process is simple and hands-off. Another big advantage is the overall build quality and reliability. Black Plus Decker is known for making dependable appliances, and this washer lives up to that reputation. It feels like a long-term investment rather than a temporary solution. Overall, this washer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants the convenience of a portable machine without giving up the performance and capacity of a more traditional washer. So, that wraps up our roundup of the best top-load washers. Whether you need a full-size machine for family laundry or a compact portable washer for a smaller space, there is something on this list for everyone. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.